How to buy SENKU, the SENKU Ishigami by Virtuous token, if that's the right name. Now before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, first of all, make sure to take a look on their X account and make sure to visit their Telegram channel to be able to follow their updates about this token. Now go and find this token index screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now after that, as you can see, this token is under base network. Now just copy the token address. Now go and open your Bitget wallet, as you can see, and go to your wallet. Now here, as you can see, make sure to select the base network. Click on plus here, and now paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token, just click on plus, and now go back to your wallet to be able to find it. So this is our token, just click on it and click on swap. Now click on switch here to be able to buy it. Sorry. Now here select the token that you want to buy with, for example, Ethereum. If you select Ethereum, make sure you have enough Ethereum on your wallet. Now here enter how much you want to buy. Now wait a few seconds, as you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now set click on buy to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the SENKU token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.